Hey there, financial friends. If you're new to SoFi or just need a quick refresher on accessing your online banking, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to log in securely and efficiently. Whether you're checking your balance, transferring funds, or managing investments, getting into your SoFi account is a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a device with internet access, like your phone, tablet, or computer, and your SoFi login credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, pause this video and sign up on the SoFi website first. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, or whatever you use most. Once it's open, type in the SoFi website address, sofi.com. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to their homepage. Next, look for the login section. It's usually right at the top of the page. See that login button? Click on it, and you'll be directed to a secure login page. Here, you'll enter your username or email address in the first field. Double check for any typos to avoid issues. Now, for step 3, input your password. Make it a habit to use a strong, unique password for extra security. After you type it in, hit the login button. If SoFi has two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great security feature, you'll get a prompt on your phone or email to verify your identity. Just follow the instructions there, like entering a code sent to you. Once you're in, congratulations. You'll land on your dashboard where you can view your accounts, transactions, and more. If you run into any hiccups, like forgetting your password, don't worry. SoFi has a "Forgot Password" link that will guide you through resetting it securely. And there you have it. That's how you log in to SoFi online banking in just a few easy steps. Remember, always log out when you're done, especially on shared devices, to keep your info safe. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next video.